guys, thanks for joining in for this week's lunch meal prep video. This week we're gonna do a chicken teriyaki rice bowl. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up the chicken. First we'll fly it open, and then we will cut it into some strips. We're gonna let it sit in this teriyaki marinade. Very, very teriyaki. It's delicious. So we'll let it sit in that marinade after we kind of slice it up into some smaller pieces. Okay, so we'll add sauce in. Mix it in so that all the chicken pieces are coated. All right, so we'll let the chicken sit for a little bit while we cook the rice and the broccoli. Now we're gonna cook our rice. We're gonna do 2 cups. And we're gonna do 3 cups of water. So we're gonna bring our rice and our water to a boil. Then we'll let it steam until all the water has evaporated into the rice. All right, we're gonna let our water boil for a bit. We can add some pepper and some salt, just a little bit. All right, once our rice and water is boiled, we'll take it off and put it onto low heat and let it steam and cook through. I like to use white rice. Brown rice is obviously a little bit healthier, so it's your preference. All right, so the rice is coming to a boil. So I'm gonna turn the heat down to low. We're gonna put the lid on. I always use a clear lid on the pot so you can see the rice and you'll know when it's done once there's no more water left. Okay, I think you can kind of see through this video that the rice is looking like it's almost ready. So you can see through the clear glass top. There's still a few bubbles left, but it's getting really close. Cook our chicken. I'm gonna take it out of our marinade. We'll just put it on our pan here. So we'll cook the chicken in a few batches. It's not all gonna fit on the pan at once. It'll take a few minutes per each side. Then we'll flip it. Alright, you can start to tell that the chicken is cooking on one side when you can start to see the white coming around. So we'll flip it over, we'll cook the second side. We'll give this side a few minutes to cook. Okay, we're gonna steam our broccoli. I have a couple inches of water on the bottom of the pan, and then the steamer basket. We're gonna add the broccoli in. All right, so we'll put the lid on. We'll steam that broccoli for about 5 minutes. Okay, so everything's done. We're gonna portion out our meals now into our containers so that we're ready to go. I have about 1/2 cup of rice. I like to use a measuring cup so that we know how much we're having. So we'll put 1/2 cup of rice in each container. All right, we have our rice. Now we're gonna add our broccoli. A little bit of broccoli per container. Okay, there's our broccoli, and now we'll add our chicken. we've added all of our chicken as well. So our lunch is ready to go. All right, so our meal prep is done for the week. Really healthy chicken broccoli rice bowls with some teriyaki. They're ready for lunch, now ready to go. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Check the description box for the ingredients. And don't forget to click subscribe so that you don't miss any of my weekly lunch and breakfast meal preps. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.